Good morning, dear students. Today we shall solve some problems from question number 3 of exercise 2.4. Find each of the following products using properties. So if we try to solve this, we need a lot of time. If we want to multiply these two big numbers, we need lot of time. So to make it easier, we have to use some properties. I can write this as 4980 into, I can break this 507 as 500 plus 7. So if I give name to 4980 as A, 500 as B and 7 C, I can see that it is nothing but A into bracket sign B plus C bracket close. What is this? This is nothing but A into B plus A into C. This is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So now we shall write the numbers in this pattern. So A is 4980, A is 4980, 4980 into B is what? B is 500 plus A into C. A is again 4980 into C is 7. So if we multiply these two numbers, add and again add with product of these two numbers, we get the result. For that we will do some rough work. In your right hand side, as I have told you, you have to do the rough work part. Rough work 4980 into 500. These two zeros I am leaving for multiplication because I want to make it easier. So leave these two zeros and try to find the multiplication of 4980 into 5. It will be equal to 5 into 0 is 0, 5 into 8 is 40, 5 into 9 is 45 plus 4, 9, 49, 5 into 4 is 20, 20 plus 4 is 24, 900. So 4980 into 5, we got 24900. We had left the two zeros. Here we will add the two zeros. Plus again 4980 into 7, you do it. 4980 into 7, it is 7 into 0, 0, 7 into 8, 56, 7 into 9, 63, 63 plus 5, 68, 7 into 4 is 28 plus 6, 34. So it is 34860. If I add these two numbers, 2490 000, I am writing this number from back so that I do not make any mistake. Nine plus 3 is 12. This is 5 and 2. So the product is 25 24860. This is the way you have to do it. Now question number 4. Find the product of largest 3-digit number and sum of 2456 and 344. The largest 3-digit number is 999. You know, all of you know about this. Sum of 2456 and 344, I have done the rough work, and it is 2800. We have to find the product of this 3-digit largest number, that is 999, and the sum of these two numbers, that is 2800. Therefore 28, or I can write here also, 2800 into 999 is equal to 2800 into, in place of 999 I can write 1000 minus 1. If I give names A, B, C, it is A into B minus C, which is equal to A into B minus A into C. That means I shall write 2800 into 1000, 2800 into 1000 minus 2800 into 1. You do the calculation as classwork and show me in your classwork copy. What is the result? You find 2800 into 1000. You know how to multiply by 1000. Then you multiply 2800 by 1. Then from this value you subtract this value. From this value, whatever value you get, subtract the value you get after multiplication and tell me the result. It is your classwork. Someone may not understand, why did I write 2899 equal to 1000 minus 1? Because if we subtract 1 from 1000, we get 999. So 2800 into 999, to make the multiplication easier, we can write 999 as 1000 minus 1. This is same as this. So to clear your doubt, I have to explain it again. The next question is question number 7. Mohit buys 40 chairs and 40 tables. If a chair costs rupees 375 and a table costs rupees 125, find the total money spent on chairs and tables. So Mohit bought 40 chairs and 40 tables. One chair cost rupees 175 and one table cost rupees 125. We have to find the total money spent on chairs and tables. For solution, I have written one chair cost rupees 175. Therefore, 40 chairs cost 40 into rupees 375. 40 into 375. One table cost rupees 125. One table cost rupees 125. Therefore, 40 tables cost 40 into rupees 125. So the total cost is cost of 40 chairs plus cost of 40 tables. Cost of 40 chairs is this much and cost of 40 tables is this much. So in our next step, as I do not have much space, I am rubbing it and writing it again. So it will be total cost. We have got total cost equal to 40 into rupees 375 plus 40 into rupees 125. So it is same thing as if we give name to 40A, this is also A, this is B, and this C, then it is nothing but A into B plus A into C. What is that? It is equal to A into B plus C. So in place of A we shall write 40 because 40 is A, into B is what? 375 plus C is what? 125. You do the rough work. 375 in plus 125, how much? It is 500. So 40 into rupees 500. Do not forget to write rupees. I did not write. Actually, you should write the units. 40 into rupees 500. If you calculate, it should be around rupees 20,000. This way you have to solve the questions.